Okay, so I've made a video of this once before, I think. Or maybe I've included it, but this is the M-41 style, 1941 style tent heater. Well, I bought it 3 winters ago. It came with a burner to go inside. So it'll burn JP4, JP8, kerosene, and diesel. Gasoline is a little too volatile for it, although I think it would run it well. And this little heater, really, when it gets going, it heats this little garage workspace very nicely. And that's my mess. Anyway, so this last batch of wood that I purchased was a little too wet, and even though I've burned it in 3 weeks, it cost me $60. And 5 gallons of 4.5 gallons of diesel is a lot less expensive. So what I'm going to do is unpack this, and you're gonna see me unpack this. This is the feed tube from the jerry can, and all the parts are still wrapped up. Here's the that's gonna be hard to see. There it is. Looks like DLA 700-87-D-0070 manufacturer number, and the company was Anchor, and this one was built in '87. So it's still based on the 1941 style. I'm looking for my darn screwdriver now. Anyway, so let's get into it and see what we can see. Okay, so that looks okay. Screwdriver, Phillips. So there's one cover. See, these things are almost foolproof. Yeah, that's going to be pretty shiny. I doubt you can see it, but it says this side up, and it has a part number on it with the same manufacturer's number. So I never opened any of these when I bought this, because I really didn't intend on burning diesel. So I'm gonna wreck the originality. You know, once it's been opened, you can never open it again. And there it goes. There goes history. I know it's not World War II stuff, but still. Here are some fuel rods. I'm pretty sure that the different colored caps are significant, have a significant reason. So let's see what's in this package. It's heavy. Yeah, you guys are seeing all of this for the first time, just like me. Okay, this is cast iron, and it has a machined end right there, and a heat shield for something. So we'll be able to figure that out once I get to the instructions. Let's see, this one looks like it can come out next. Oh, wow. That's nice. Now, I've seen these in use before. This is the regulator. And you can see it has a... Oh, maybe I can burn gasoline in this. Gasoline's too... Gasoline and fire. Do you guys remember that scene in iRobot with Will Smith? What's her name? Bridget Moynihan. They get on the motorcycle and she says, "Does this thing run on gasoline? Gasoline explodes, you know." Anyway, yeah, so there's the regulator. I don't know what that is for, but I'll be able to figure all this out. Probably won't assemble it today. No, perfect. I gotta find the destructions. Okay. So this goes in the jerry can. And there's a tag on it. Oh, there's vent tubes. That's what these are for. And there's a fitting there inside. This is pretty cool. And then I know that the jerry can has to be higher than the tent heater. So down in the bottom here, let's see what's in this. Oh, I know what this is for. If I can get it out of there without cutting my fingers. I'm pretty sure that this assembly, let me grab a section of exhaust tube. See that? I'm pretty sure that this goes in here after it's outside the tent. This is just a heat dissipator. Can you see down in there? So that's pretty awesome. And then the ropes go there. Well, I probably won't be using that, so I'm just going to fold that back up in there. Okay, there's something else in here. Another fuel hose with some fittings. Wow. So this little stamped data plate, let's see if we can read that. After 3 years of storage, samples of these hoses should be tested for low temperature flexibility and leakage. Well, it's pretty cold today. The hoses feel very supple. Even this other longer hose. So give you a view down inside. It's pretty shiny. It may be self-explanatory as to how this goes together. But could have sworn this thing came with instructions when I got it. Let me have a look over here. Oh, this. See that? February 1987. Let's see. Bitchin'. Okay, I found it. What's this? Oh, look at that. Ah, I forgot I had that. This is the technical maintenance manual for the PE-197 that's out in the trailer. Hot dog. It's nice to find things that you forget you have. Alright, so that's going to go back in this envelope. So this did come with TM10 4500 213 Department of the Army Technical Manual. Heater, space, radiant type portable. Type 1 model M41 solid fuel. Type 2 M41 liquid fuel. Yukon model M1950 solid or liquid fuel. So that's what this is. It's an M1950. So it'll do solid or liquid fuel. So I'll have to read this because I don't want to blow myself up. Looks like we get instructions on fuel inlet, float valve assembly, fuel strainer. I didn't see that. So this is what the setup will look like. Of course, the jerry can won't be that close to the stove. Oh yeah, look at that. So no, I do have the M41 because in this picture, you can see the tent heater is a lot taller. Yeah. So pretty awesome. Yep. So I'll have to read this. You know, that's one of the things I learned to do when I was in. Don't throw the instructions away. So there's a nice picture with all the parts that came in this manual, or sorry, that came in the kit. And yeah, then all I have to do is turn on the valve. I saw a friend of mine spark one of these things up and turn the valve on a little bit, I think, somewhere. And then you just light a piece of paper and drop it inside. And, oh, this is for a smaller portable heater. Oh, okay, so this is the Yukon M1950. So no, I do not have the M1950. I have the M41. That's pretty cool. And look, there's a draft diverter up top. So yeah, I'm excited. This'll be definitely a lot easier than trying to get wet green wood to burn. So all you wind up with was just smoldering chunks of wood. Yeah, look at this one. You can see on the bottom right hand side this drawing shows high flame, medium flame. This is going to be great. Okay, so there's the beginning. I'm going to have to cleaned out the M-41 stove when it, tent heater, sorry. Gonna have to clean out the heater. You know, just get all the rest of the wood that's in there out. And I have a damper. Yeah, see, this shit ain't burning. It's just too wet. So I'll let it burn down, smolder down, clean the soot out of the bottom. And I'll make a video of that too, because this thing's pretty cool. And then we'll be burning liquid dinosaurs. Yeah, that'll be fun. Actually, it's decomposed plant life, but you know. Thanks to all the Prius owners out there who may watch my videos. You're saving gasoline by driving your quote-unquote non-pollutant Priuses around, so I can burn gasoline or diesel in this thing. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching my video. Later.